Let's see another illustration. A particle whose speed is 50 meter per second moves along the line from A to 1 to B 925. Find its velocity vector in the form of A I cap plus B j cap. Let's see the solution. The answer is 14 I cap plus 48 j cap. Since position vector of point A equal to 2 I cap plus j cap and position vector of point B equal to 9 I cap plus 25 j cap. Therefore, AB vector equal to 9 I cap plus 25 j cap minus in bracket 2 I cap plus j cap equal to 7 I cap plus 24 j cap. Unit vector in the direction of AB vector AB cap equal to AB vector upon magnitude of AB vector equal to 7 I cap plus 24 j cap upon 25. Since vector equal to magnitude of vector into unit vector, so V vector equal to 50 AB cap equal to 14 I cap plus 48 j cap meter per second. Let's see another illustration. Mark the correct statement from the following. A. If speed of a body is varying, its velocity must be varying and it must have zero acceleration. B. If velocity of a body is varying, its speed must be varying. C. A body moving with varying velocity may have constant speed. D. A body moving with varying speed may have constant velocity if its direction of motion remains constant. The correct option is option C, that is, a body moving with varying velocity may have constant speed as happens in uniform circular motion. Let's see the solution. If the speed of a particle changes, the velocity of the particle definitely changes and hence the acceleration of the particle is non-zero. Velocity of a particle change without changing speed This happens in uniform circular motion. When speed of a particle varies, its velocity cannot be constant. So option C is the correct option.